Hello and thank you for tuning in. This training session will cover setup and uses for the SpringPoint Suite dashboard. The dashboard is intended to present the user quick and meaningful information pulled from many of your SpringPoint products. To access the dashboard, start within the SpringPoint Suite website. Enter your company, username, and password. If you've forgotten any of the info, first check with your company administrator. You can also click the link to send in a support request. If allowed, your browser may ask you to store that info for quick access later. Once you have proven you are not a robot, click the login icon and you will now be taken to your start page. This may very well be the dashboard. Technicians are usually set to start within our mobile time clock screen to quickly punch in. Now, let's work our way around the dashboard. The little grid icon is what we refer to as the app changer. When you click onto it, a drop-down appears with links to different products within the suite: QM Wizard, Mobile Paperwork, Mobile Time Clock, Equipment Manager, List Manager, and the Tracker. These will likely change as we continue to add more features to the suite. Next to the grid icon is our accounting option. This option is not available for all users currently, where you would access SpringPoint's Credit Card Connect. The admin icon is where you can manage and customize areas of QM, labels, customer web portal, and manage system setup within the suite. The plus icon gives users the ability to quick add certain information based on their role. The calendar icon gets you access to our web scheduler. The bell icon is for notifications and messaging within the suite. The clock icon is our mobile time clock, which has its own training video. Feel free to check that out for great info. The question mark gains you access to our help options. Access the knowledge base for our online manual with good search capabilities. You can access our training videos from within the knowledge base or within the training video dropdown. You can also contact support and learn more about the products. The person icon allows you to set your preferred start page, reset your password, and restore the pop-ups that you might have closed down. The final icon is where you can log out. You will notice larger icons underneath the top bar. These are links that allow you quick access to the commonly used products. Working left to right, we have Mobile Paperwork, QM Wizard, Mobile Time Clock, Equipment Manager, Customer Web Portal, and our Customer Relationship Manager. Each of these have their own training videos. The charts and graphs you see appear on your dashboard are available to you based on your role in the software. Clicking into the gear icon to the right will take you into your chart configuration screen. Here you can add, sort, and resize the charts that will appear on your main dashboard. On the right are your available charts. These are configured by your administrator. Once you select an option, click Add Chart, and it'll move into the main view and will show up the next time you access your dashboard. That wraps up the SpringPoint Suite dashboard video. For more information, check out our other training videos through your knowledge base or by going to the Help section using your login at spsuite.com. Feel free to contact one of our team members at support@springpt.com.